Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So if you're trying to go live on Instagram but seeing this message that says your account is no longer eligible to go live, don't worry. In this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So when you try to go live on Instagram, you get that message. It means that your account currently does not meet the requirement for Instagram Live. Instagram has recently updated its policy. To use Instagram Live, you need to have at least thousands of followers, and then your account should be public. Even if you have never broken any rule, you may still see this error if either of those conditions isn't met. For that, head back to your home screen, open up your settings application. Inside here, scroll all the way to the bottom, then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for Instagram and then tap onto it. Inside here, you want to make sure the microphone camera is toggled on. Once you've done that, head back to your settings again, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, then tap on Instagram. Inside here, go ahead and tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the stories used by Instagram and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply reopen the Instagram. This helps reset any temporary glitches that may be blocking your live feature. Next, you want to go ahead and check if your account is public or not. Log into your account, tap on this little icon. Then inside here, tap on account privacy. As you can see, it is now set to private. You want to go ahead and simply toggle off this button. Then tap on switch to public. And that's it. Now your account is public. Instagram only works for public account. Instagram now requires a minimum of 1,000 followers to access live. If you have less than 1,000 followers, you won't be able to go live even if everything else is correct. This is a new rule in 2025 and applies to all regions. Also, if your account is public and you have more than 1,000 followers but still can't go live, you can simply update your application. Open up your app store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once done, head back to your home screen, open up your Instagram, and then log out and then log back in again. Also make sure you don't have any community guidelines violation. And if you're still facing the error, you simply want to go ahead and report the issue through the Instagram help. So that's how you fix Instagram live eligibility issues. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.